What you mean you don't know Panna? She's dope. What you mean? What you mean? What you mean? What you mean?
What is poppin' YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dopeaxxpana, and if you guys read the title, then you guys know why we are here. Today, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to DIY a hat wig, and this is literally my go-to everyday look, so I'm super excited to share this. This video is sponsored by the Janet Collection. They sent me their Nala Tress Passion Twist hair in 18 inches, and this is the color 1B. And these are typically used for crochet styles, so you will see a loop at the top, but I personally don't wear crochet on myself, so I thought that I would show you guys how to do something really fun and cool with these. So inside of my hat there is a blue kind of band, and I'm going to make sure that I'm gluing all of the Passion Twist hair on this band. I'm going to also make sure that I'm not going past the brim of the hat, because obviously those Passion Twists will fall in your face and you don't want that. We're going for a really natural look. So what I'm going to be doing is placing the glue around on that band in there, and I'm going to apply each Passion Twist hair on top of that glue. This is actually a fairly easy process, and it takes me about 30 minutes to do. So I love doing this because you can literally wear this hat anywhere, anytime, and a lot of people always compliment me and I pull it off and they're like, wait girl, what? So I actually love wearing my hat wigs. I've done a couple of these on my channel before, so you don't really need to have any type of specific hat. You can do these even on fitted caps. You just want to make sure that if you're using something that is not adjustable, you kind of size it out on your head and make sure that you don't make it too bulky. So on this hat in particular, in the back I have a strap where I can tighten it up. I'm going to avoid putting Passion Twist on that strap, and that's going to allow me to tighten the hat if I need to, or to make it more loose. So I'm actually going to apply those above that little area, and when we get to that I will explain what I'm doing there. If you are someone who is new to making hat wigs, you do want to make sure that you work in sections, because the glue dries quickly and you do need to move fast, but you also want to make sure that you're not burning yourself. So I would definitely say doing a little at a time will really help you be able to accomplish this in the best way. And also just be careful, because obviously you're working with a hot glue gun, and I have burned my fingers a couple times, but you want to just make sure that you're able to put this down before the glue actually dries, because if it dries, then obviously these Passion Twist won't stick. So here I am showing you when that first row is done. It looks really, really natural, and like they're literally just coming out of the wig hat. If you do get any little pieces of string from the glue, you can always just pull those off. But guys, look how flawless that looks. I absolutely love it already. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the same to the other side, and then do a second row. I actually only ended up doing 2 rows of Passion Twist on this hat, because doing that, it was pretty full, and you don't want to make it too bulky, then it starts to look really fake. But really, honestly, that's your preference, how many you actually want to put on. For this look today, I used a total of 4 bundles, which will require you to buy 2 packs. So boom, my 2 sides are done. I'm gonna show you how nice and full that looks. You don't have to make sure you brick layer it or anything crazy. Honestly, I'm just gluing those bad boys down. So like I said, for the back of the cap, I'm actually gonna go right above the opening, and I'm gonna go ahead and glue those Passion Twists there. And what's gonna happen is these are actually gonna fall down and cover up that little gap, so you won't even be able to tell that I didn't put any below it. So this is what it looks like when that first row is done. Because I can still see my hand through there, I am going to put one more layer and then we'll be good to go. Alright, so this is what the back looks like once it's completed. You can kind of see my hand peeking through there, but honestly that spot is so tiny that when the hat is on you really won't be able to see it. So this is what the hat is going to look like when we're finished with it. You don't have to glue anything over the hair to protect it or anything, guys. It's going to fit comfortably and look beautifully, and I am going to show you guys the hat when it is also on my head. On one of my hat wig tutorials, someone had asked me if I have ever experienced any of the braids or anything falling out, and that will not happen, guys. I've had some of my hat wigs for literally years and they are still cool and like new. So I mean, unless you're getting it pulled on or doing something crazy, you should be fine. So I have my hair braided back. I actually just took a wig off, so that's why my forehead looks crusty, y'all. I promise I'm not crusty in real life. But literally all I do is plop the hat on, guys, and bam, baby girl got passion twist, period. So I love this because it's super easy. You can just throw it on when you're on the go, and I love to use crochet hair for this because honestly you want something that's not super expensive, and if you want like a quick passion twist look or a quick braided look, then you can always get it. So I will make sure I link all of the products that I use in the description section down below. If you guys want to check out these locks, even just to do a regular crochet style, I would highly recommend. They're super beautiful and super full. Doesn't take a lot to get that nice full look. So yeah, highly recommend. Let me know if you guys like this in the comment section down below. If you guys want to see me do more hat wigs, I can do some color ones, some whatever. Let me know in the comment section down below. As always, thank you guys so much for tuning into my videos. And as always, I will catch you guys in my next one.
What you mean you don't know Panna? She's dope. What you mean? What you mean? What you mean? What you mean?